BabyBus.
Hi! Click here to subscribe! Let's find somewhere to have our lunch.
Okay.
Let's take out our lunchboxes.
My lunchbox is blue.
My lunchbox is pink. Look at mine. It's yellow.
Look, mine is green.
La la la, come to our picnic. Everybody see what we brought for lunch. Let me show you my lunchbox. Tasty sandwiches, take a look.
Smells good.
Everybody have a bite. Wow. Share together, share together. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Great!
Yummy, 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 yummy. Share with your friends. It's for you. La la la, share together. Come on over, have a bite. La la la, share together. It's so nice to share with good friends.
Let me show you my lunchbox. Tasty rice balls, take a look. Everybody have a bite.
Smells good.
Share together, share together.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Great. Yummy, 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 yummy. Share with your friends.
It's for you.
La la la, share together. Come on over, have a bite. La la la, share together. It's so nice to share with good friends. It was so fun today. We had a lot of delicious food.
I like the sandwiches best, and the pasta, rice balls, and sushi.
Let's do this again sometime.
Okay.
Why is there no customers?
Mew Mew! Rudolph and Whiskers are here to buy some toys.
Really? Welcome, everyone.
Hello, everyone! Please come to my new toy shop with a lot of new fancy toys! Huh? New fancy toys? Let me take a look. Wow, so many new toys! Come over here! Free candy for everyone! Free candy!
Candy, it's my favorite candy. Gimme, gimme.
Please don't go!
Everybody is gone.
Huh? Huh?
Mr. Fu, come and buy a toy for Rudolph.
We have toys that are fun for the whole family!
Toys for the whole family? Let me have a look. Rudolph, which one do you like?
I can speak loudly too. I have an idea. Mew Mew, get me the phone and flashlight, please.
Here you go.
Ta-da!
Huh?
With this microphone, I can speak louder than Hank.
Wow, that's great.
Come and take a look. You can play with toys for free.
Huh?
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 Free to play?
Huh? Don't leave!
Wow, so many toys!
Ugh, stealing my customers? No way! Ta-da! Look, everyone! Here's the best ever new smart toy!
Wow!
Wow, amazing!
Just a smart toy? Look what I've got! Magical toys! Free to play! 2 for 1! Come and have a look!
Oh no, don't go! Oh, they're gone again. It's time to show my best toy. Huh?
A game machine!
Huh? My toys are the best.
Aha! I have an idea! Let's show them how amazing we are!
Huh?
Hey, yo!
Game over! Wow, please show us how to do that!
What's this?
This is a super-duper virtual projector.
Whoa!
Hey,
Don't push!
yeah.
Don't push! Stand line to buy the toys!
I don't need toys.
I want the microphone.
I want the speaker.
I want the projector.
What? Nobody wants any toys?
Huh?
You can have all my toys. I want the projector.
Huh?
Episode 9! Grandpa Mushroom's Garden! Mew Mew!
That was so dangerous.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. But, where are we now?
I don't know. We followed the monsters into this magic tree. And then the number maze. We also met the ostrich moms. Then we rode the train of fantasy and met Grandma Sheep and got into a hot air balloon.
Our hot air balloon was destroyed by 3 monsters!
Now we're lost. But our friends must be waiting for our help.
Oh, what do we do?
Huh?
Mushrooms? Where are you taking us? Let's follow them and find out.
What's that sound? Huh? Stop! Stop! My flowers! My flowers!
destroyed.
3 rude boys just came to my garden and stepped on the flowers I'd carefully grown.
It must be the 3 monsters.
3 monsters? Who are they? And who are you?
Hi, Grandpa Mushroom. I'm Kiki.
I'm Mew Mew, and this is our friend Doo Doo.
Nice to meet you all.
Grandpa Mushroom, I'll help you replant your flowers.
And I'll help you too.
Oh, you're so nice. Thank you.
Let's clean up this mess first.
Okay.
BabyBus
Magic Math.
There are 2 flower beds. If Kiki has both of them, Mew Mew will have nowhere to plant. And if Mew Mew has both beds, Kiki won't have anywhere to plant. So how to divide them equally? That's right! Kiki will have one bed and Mew Mew will have the other.
I got it! There are 2 flower beds, so one for me and the other one's for Mew Mew. I'll plant here.
And I'll plant here.
Finished! Huh? It takes a long time for seeds to sprout and bloom.
Little seeds. When will you sprout and bloom?
Look what I've got.
Wow, that's amazing!
It's really beautiful.
Kiki and Mew Mew, here's some rose and sunflower seeds. Would you please plant them in the bed over there?
I like sunflowers. I'll take the sunflower seeds.
Roses! I'll plant roses all over the bed.
Huh? There are 4 flower beds. We have to divide them again.
How do we divide if there are 4?
Kids, do you know how to divide the 4 beds? Let's say it together.
BabyBus Magic Math, come and help!
There are 4 flower beds. If Kiki has 1, Mew Mew has 3. Or if Kiki has 2, Mew Mew has 2. If Kiki has 3, Mew Mew will have only 1.
Mew Mew, how many beds do you need?
3, because I want a lot of roses.
Okay, there are 4. Mew Mew will have 3, and I'll have 1.
All right, my turn. Thank you for planting the flowers for me. I'm so happy.
You're welcome. We like flowers and planting them as well.
That is so nice of you. Good boys and girls. Where do you live? Want me to take you home?
No, it's okay. We're here to save our friends.
Huh?
Devil King took our friends and locked them at the top of the magic tree. We have to save them.
Grandpa Mushroom, do you know how we can get there?
Of course I do. Just wait a moment.
What's this?
A pea?
Yes, a pea.
I don't get it.
This is a magical pea.
A magic pea?
Yes. Take a look. With some magic, too.
What's going on?
I've run out of the dew.
What?
Yeah, it's done!
But something's missing.
Right, we still need some different windows. Hank, give me a rectangle.
I think I can find one. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is it!
Let's build a house. Let's build a house. A rectangle. We found it. A rectangular block. A rectangular block. A rectangle has 4 corners.
I need a triangle.
Triangle? Triangle?
A triangle has 3 corners.
1, 2, 3. Oh, this is it!
Let's build a house. Let's build a house. A triangle. We found it. A triangular block. A triangular block. A triangle has 3 corners.
I still need a circle.
Circle? Oh, I know what that is. A circle looks like a ball. It has no corners. There's no circle here.
Hank, over there.
Oh, it's on the shelf. Kiki, let's take it down.
Let's build a house. Let's build a house. A circle. We found it. A circular block. A circular block. A circle has no corners.
It's done!